Welcome back to Daytime Live. Andre Stevenson is back. Yes, and he's back in doing what he truly loves, and that is fashion. He joins us today to talk about the relaunch of Premier Elite. Welcome,
Welcome,
Andre.
welcome.
Thank you, my family. Thank you for having me here.
Yes.
It has been a very long time, almost 4 years.
Yes, it's
I've not been on this set.
The truth.
Interesting.
Yeah, about 4 years.
Yeah, man.
So why was it time to relaunch the brand now after so long?
You know, in 2025, I said it's the year of manifestation. I looked at my vision board and I saw the things that I have yet to complete. And I did the food, I returned the restaurant and the catering business. I continued to do my content creation and marketing endeavors. But I said to myself, no. The fashion needs to come alive again.
I love that.
And it was going to come alive from 2023 when a very close ally of mine, Heather Moiston, was brutally murdered by her husband. So a part of my release is to do this collection that is dedicated to her.
Oh,
It's called Sirius.
Serious.
And Sirius is the brightest star in the sky.
Yes.
So the collection depicts the stardom, the kingdom of what is coming from Premier Gentleman. And that is something that is unique. But equally, Nisha, very soon, you know, you said to me from 2021, Andre, what about the ladies?
Yeah.
Well, Lady Premier will be launched for 2026.
Wow, yeah.
So I'm relaunching Premier Gentleman, but equally Lady Premier. So Craig T, when you're going on the runway and when you're going to all of those avant-garde events, definitely the lady and the gentleman can be styled by the House of Premier.
And aligned. Okay, so you say you're coming back now. Let's take it back a little bit. When did you start the brand? Why did you start the brand? And you're making lots of changes. What will you do differently now than you had done before?
Well, the brand started from about 2017. We started out as just apparels, selling ties, selling socks, but people were saying your unique suiting, your unique fashion is something that we want, and I got a team and we put it together. That was when I did Black, Green and Bold.
Yeah.
That I partnered with the Jamaica Observer and the AC Marriott when AC Marriott was just being launched. I was the first designer to shoot in there. But then I decided to carry it differently. Everyone is doing suits, but no one is really doing African outfits. But I'm not doing the traditional African outfits of loud and all over. I'm doing abstract cuts, I'm doing geometric cuts.
It's more contemporary.
It's more contemporary looking. So when you look at modern Africa, you're looking at cleanness. That's where Premier Gentleman is carrying.
Lines, edges, sharp.
Yeah, sharp, focus.
Love that.
That's where I'm carrying
Yes.
House of Premier. And House of Premier will be a fashion house for 2026.
Excellent.
Where the women will be catered for, the men will be catered for, but the children equally.
So everything.
So it will be a place
one-stop shop for
where one-stop shop, everyone can come, the entire family. So I know Craig T say, yes, man, I like this, man.
Me, the wife, the children.
Yeah,
Here
man.
for it.
Come to this and you'll see the kind of uniqueness that is being presented for this space.
Beautiful.
And that is Saturdays when you're launching the collection, correct?
The collection is being launched through a birthday celebration. So I'll be 34. So my 34th birthday will be at the Serengeti Hope Zoo. But my team of designers said, why not put on a show?
Right.
And as such, we have decided to put on Circle of Life. It's not necessarily Lion King.
Got it.
But it's a circle of life of the fashion.
Got it.
We'll show the evolution of the fashion from a period to where we are presently. And we'll carry it in a different dynamic that probably Jamaica has not seen in a very long time.
Exciting. Okay.
Where you want to get tickets? Well, if you need to get tickets, you can follow me on my social media at Premier Gentleman. But you can also call 426-2281, 880-2609, or my personal number, 865-4587.
So it is open to the public.
It's open to the public.
Awesome.
So I have 2 tickets for both of you.
Okay. All right.
I need to see Daytime Live and I need to see the producer of Daytime Live.
Odessa, I'm sure
Yes,
she'll be there.
ma'am. It's a family event and you people have been family with me from the inception of Premier Gentleman, and I want to carry it into a different space and a different element, and as such, I believe that Daytime Live and by extension TVJ has been a part of that journey.
Beautiful. Well, we believe that, and the collection looks fabulous. I know that was an old collection, but that is really exciting to see and to imagine what comes now. For persons who are watching that want to be a part of the event, want to come and attend, how can we find you on social media?
So find me at Premier Gentleman on Instagram, or I am Andre Stevens on Instagram as well. But my personal contact is 426-2281 or 865-4587. Come and enjoy fashion, food and entertainment, and come and be a part of a magical moment called Serious.
Serious. I love that. Thank you so much. Circle of Life. Listen, Andre, I'm so excited for what you have coming, what's in the future. I'm excited. So good luck and thank you for joining us. It's awesome.
Sure.
Thank you. That was Andre Stevenson. Welcome back to Daytime Live. Welcome back.
Man, I wonder what go on.
What's going on?
What go on, Mom? I'm not trouble.
We'll soon come back. We're going to take a break right now. When we come back, we're throwing it back to a music video from Sean Paul and Sasha. You don't want to miss it. We'll soon come.